Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be preparing one of Italian classic dish. This is cannelloni with spinach and ricotta. Yes, that is what we're going to be preparing today, and this dish is very delicious, like very delicious. You need to give it a try. Now let's get to it. Going to be cooking while introducing the ingredients for you guys. Okay, that in the oil is garlic and extra virgin of olive oil. All you need to do is to roast the garlic for a couple of minutes. Take the garlic out. Make sure that your spinach is already washed and the waters are drained out of the spinach. So all you need to do is to add the spinach after taking out the garlic in the out of the oil. Okay, so I'm going to season that spinach with a little bit of salt and yeah, a little just salt. You can choose not to season yours. So I'm going to allow the spinach to cook until they reduce in size, which I'm going to be showing you the consistency we are looking for. Spinach is ready. I'm going to set that aside. This spinach takes about 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes to be cooked. So in the pot I'm going to be making my white sauce, which is called besciamella. I have the recipe on my channel. I'm going to be linking it at the description for you guys to see. Okay, go watch the video if you don't know how to make your own bechamel sauce, or it's called also called white sauce. Check the description for the video. So for the spinach, you need to allow the spinach to cool down a little before start slicing them. You can use your blender to do this if you don't want to go through the process of slicing the spinach. Okay, so all I'm doing there is pouring the spinach on my chopping board. I'm going to like use my knife to chop them into piece, tiny piece. Like that is why I said you should blend it if you don't have patience to do the chopping the spinach. Okay, so after that I'm going to add them into my pan back, and add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm going to add it back to the pan, and I'm going to take out that chopping board, or just wipe it off, and add the ricotta you're using. Ricotta is a fresh cheese. Okay, it's named ricotta all over the world, so if you want to try it you can find it in your local store. Then mix everything together. Make sure you mix them very well, because the ricotta needs to be well coated on the spinach. So after mixing the ricotta, I'm going to be adding the egg, fresh egg inside there. I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. Okay, please check the description for all the recipes. So after adding the egg, I'm going to quickly mix everything until they are well combined again before adding the next ingredient. So my next ingredient, I'm going to be adding the parmesan cheese, parmigiano. That is what I'm going to be adding. So after adding that, I'm going to quickly stir everything together. At this point, you can also add a little bit of nutmeg, which is called noce moscato in Italian. Yes, add this for extra flavor. So after mixing everything together, go ahead and turn them, or like transfer them into your piping bag. But the piping bag didn't work for me because the cannelloni I used, the mouth was little, and the this piping bag is was already made. Piping bag was cut open already, so I used my hand to fill it up, which you're going to be seeing a bit. So back to the making of the cannelloni. This is my white sauce, bechamel sauce. All you need to do is to add enough into your casserole. At this point, make sure your oven is preheated at 180 degrees. Okay, so after adding the bechamel into your casserole, go ahead and pipe in, or use a spoon, or you can use your hand, as long as your hands are clean, to stuff in the pasta. This is kind of pasta, but it's pasta lasagna stuff. I don't know how to explain it. Just stuff the spinach and ricotta into the pasta, let's use the name pasta, which is called cannelloni. This is cannelloni in Italian. Go ahead and stuff all of them, put them in your casserole. Then I will bring you back. So I'm done stuffing all the cannelloni, and now I'm going to add enough. Like guys, you need to add enough of that white sauce, because this is white sauce base, which is besciamella. Please add enough of it. Make sure you are they are properly covered with the sauce. So after then, you're going to bake them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or depends on the time on your own pack. If you're making fresh one, I think you're going to be baking them less, but if you're using the already made, which is the one I used, check the pack to see how many minutes they have to be in the oven. Okay, so guys, this is the final result. Look at how crunchy up that is. Look at how good they are looking, and they tasted so delicious, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's very simple to make and it's very delicious. This is one of Italian classic dish. I hope you will give them a try. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Feel free to subscribe if you like this. Don't mind that my daughter is there throwing things around because she was hungry. She wanted to test what I cooked. So see you guys in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.